Hi guys, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to copy Tom address from Tom Keeper. Okay, there are steps that we have to take in order to find Tom address and copy it on Tom Keeper in order to allow a transaction to take place, because without this address, transaction won't take place. But before I dive in, if you are new to this channel, please do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Okay, let's go straight to what we have for today. For you to be able to get Tom address on Keeper, this is what you have to do. Tap on receive. Down you can see the address is already out. You can now copy it and then make the transaction you wish to make with it. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload video like this. Thanks for watching.